Hello, my name is Nathan Johnson. I'm at McDonald's in Rugeley. We are going to Tickhill Quarry today. On today's
That's
adventure.
my bit! Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This morning we're off to Tickhill off-road course. It's a quarry just outside Stoke-on-Trent. We've got quite a few cars with us, including an L200, two Discovery Ones, a Suzuki Vitara and a Honda CR-V, and obviously me in a Land Rover TD5 Discovery 2. Still puts a smile on my face. Mate.
There's a squiggle next to reg under there, please. Have you been before?
Yeah, I've been before. Okay, mate.
25, please.
45.
Excuse me.
Sorted.
Dig.
Thank you, mate. That's nice. Is that good?
Got my off-road, don't know.
You parking here? I'll leave that. Give that for the floor. Okay, stop it then.
Got all the tools left.
It was a bit wobbly on the way here now.
Right. Kid on the hill, keep going in limbo.
Yeah, we thought you were going over at some point.
Stand there.
You're going around the island and the tow truck was leaning and then your truck was like this. Pressed up against the fucking rock.
Yeah, the back window's gone through. Well, here you go, this is the man you want to see. It's a massive chair, man, just looks something out.
Oh.
Guys are answering, sorry. Oh, Jimmy!
Jimmy. Put that now. Just there now.
Beach? Yeah.
Stuck there now.
I wish I had just go around.
What a shitter, just the batter.
Yeah. Look at him again, I'll fucking open that proper window. You ain't driving out that way.
He's dragging on.
This good.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Oh! Whoa! Ooh.
Hey, what you fucking doing?
Oh.
Turn it off the go, look.
Ready? That was deep.
When these got stuck.
No, is this one here?
Tree!
There's knife. struggle to get up that. I don't think that Suzuki will.
We need to smell a ground on here because it stinks.
Send it! Oh. That's probably going to do a recovery on it. Yo!
Are you coming up this way or not?
Sorry?
You're gonna come in this way?
I will do, yeah, because my ABS ain't working right and I might get stuck here. So don't fuck off.
Ready yet?
No,
Come back a bit now.
needs to come back a bit.
Oh, go back, I'll bottom out. Second yard, chin.
Do you have a strap?
Hang on.
A bit more.
Tiny bit more, another foot.
A bit more.
That's a fucking foot, haven't you done something?
You're alright on that?
No.
Might put it up.
Say more.
Hang on, stay there.
Oh, look at the twist on it, that boy. She flexes.
She's a flexor.
Flexing knife.
No.
No, he's trying to get it around the bull bar.
Round the bull bar, rip the bull bar up.
He's putting on into 09.
This one.
Behind it.
Oh, Jesus.
I've got electric now.
Now we come back a very little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a smidge.
You're alright.
We're testing the Discovery. Make sure it does its job.
Fucking hell.
That's it.
Need a body lift on that, didn't you, Nate?
Problem is you can't get the fucking pin in.
Can't you put the D-link the other way around and put it from underneath? No, so the thread's on the opposite side, so you just put it up to it.
Has he gone? Has he fell through the bush?
I don't know. Not the army, smoke grenaded.
Send it!
What's happened?
Someone's stuck. Someone's stuck, the shield got stuck.
Go on, give you 4 seconds, I'm pulling. I'm pulling you, I'm pulling you. 3, 2. What, let me make sure it's in Droid first. It's in Droid now. Is it on there?
No.
Just making a joke.
They can't get it on
The
anywhere.
handbrake!
They can't get it on anywhere.
Can't get it off.
No.
The ball bar's crushed at the front, so we can't allow you to get
What are you doing? Well, you might as well rip the bull bar off then if it's crushed.
anything.
Make sure I clean it out of it so you can get to the...
Yeah, true.
I'll do that, I'll pull it off.
You got it on now?
Nearly.
Oh my
What's it connected to? It ain't the fucking... It's attached to the actual chassis.
Your radiator mount.
When you wrapped it on.
Radiator!
I'll just go gentle then, accelerate.
It's round the bull bar. Hang on.
Send it!
Go on then. Whoa!
What did you
Half shaft,
Did someone snap then?
half shaft.
put in the half shaft?
You've got a half shaft.
What?
Oh my way, dick.
Try and go again.
Try go. Yeah, that half shaft snap.
Yeah, half shaft snapped. This wheel's not turning.
Right, so I've got a spare half shaft to be.
Have you?
Second, right, not to move. Yeah. It's got a hook.
Go down backwards then.
Hope you can get out of it.
So you're trying to towing now, are you?
Pardon?
You're trying to towing now, are you?
Yeah, I'll just snap that half shaft right. I've gone well for it.
Right.
The road bar?
And nice is going to
That
go
wheel
now, isn't
spinning
it?
the other side.
Yeah. The
Your
left,
side is, yeah.
the left hand side is.
There Riverside yesterday. Day before.
Have you brought one with you? You gonna change it?
Fucking hell, Shield.
You're in my shaft now.
Yeah, man, you're over half shaft.
You want to go backward? Yeah, you go backward. Will I get the house down there? Look, you pull me back, I'll go that way. Fuck off out the one's way. Just go back, just go back.
Left hand down. Go back at left hand down.
Turn left.
This side, Jess. Over here. Hi. Hi, how are we doing?
Hi, welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel. Yes. That's a bit of an angle.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's tight for you. That's what she said. Come on, there we go. Aha! Dip. Come around. That fun?
Yeah.
Go on then, go on, turn around.
Second gear.
First, then second.
Oh, I'll wait. I'll go round.
Yeah.
Where? On here.
Bit foggy down there.
No, it's fine, come on. Oh, there you. All good?
Yeah.
YouTube!
The reason why the car, I stalled it, I was pressing the brake.
Oh dear. Anything goes here. Close my window before I get whipped in the face.
Oh, dear, dear, dear. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, thank you. Here he is, man of the hour.
This way, look. Come on. Come on. Slow leg, you've got it in now. Come on. Come on. Down the ding.
Whoa, fuck. And the Land Rover's stuck. I think he's stuck. I think he's stuck.
Down to 100, that's all I'm saying.
Sorry? We used to have one of them, yeah. That shape as well.
We're doing the winch thing again.
It's going to end up blowing it up.
That is
Yeah. Yeah, it's the water's going to get in the exhaust.
How'd you feel? An L200 made it through there, you didn't.
I got stuck.
You got stuck?
I went slow. Slowly. Oh!
Saved by the L200.
I say we blame Nate for this one.
Well, L200s are stronger than Land Rovers.
I'm so sorry about that.
Ah, don't worry, man.
I say we blame Nate
All
for...
the ones to go into. All the ones to go into.
Ah, don't worry, mate. It happened off road. It's not. Don't worry about it. No insurance here or anything like that. You can change these outer skins. You can change. So it's not that bad. You can. The outer skin, quarter panel, you can change it. I'll get chunks straight off. I can take it off myself.
Oh, they bolt up?
Yeah, they unbolt. Like literally down this seam here.
Yeah.
It unbolts from, you take the light out, it unbolts from inside, and then you can just change that rear panel. I just hope it hasn't bent this too much, that's all. It should be alright.
Yeah, it should be.
There isn't a floor in that truck anymore.
There's not a mark on yours.
Got the tiniest little one here.
Ah, right, yeah, just that.
How did that do that? Does this unbolt then?
Yeah, just unbolts off, straight up. Door still opens and closes, so it hasn't bent anything. So
It was only a little one, wasn't it? So
they're made of tin, mate. You know, like.
That is really an off-road vehicle.
Oh, I suppose it's made for flexing.
Basically, but yeah. Right guys, we're back. A little bit muddy. She's done well today. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe. It's been an eventful day. Unfortunately a few downsides. Obviously the damage on the back. And sprung a bit of an oil leak as well, unfortunately. But I don't like it. That's the thing, I had no dents whatsoever. And I've got a dent. I don't like it. At least it's easily replaceable. I'll see you in the next one.